guys, it's Eric G from Around the House Show. Is your barbecue just barely holding on and you need to upgrade it for the big game? We got you covered. Monument Grills was founded by three good friends in Atlanta, Georgia that wanted high-quality, durable grills inspired by iconic monuments. The grills are created for the person who loves to cook and are built to last and to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. What I love is that they are the best quality grills for under $900. So check out the American gas grill experts at monumentgrills.com. I bet you'll love to cook on one like I do. Check out the new standard in outdoor cooking at monumentgrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on Saturday. On the next 2 hours of the Around the House show, Eric talks about if your next project should be a DIY project or hire a pro. Then in hour 2, he chats with attorney Andy Wyman about what you need to know about construction contracts. A special thanks to FeedSpot for naming Around the House the #2 home improvement podcast in the world. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast so you don't miss an episode.
Can a licensed electrician come up and go, this is what we're doing, and off they go? Absolutely. Can I do it? Yeah, I haven't done it in a few years, and quite frankly, my house here, I had a local company do it. I had my friends over at Rose City Electric come over and do it because they could do it quickly. I had to move the panel. I had to do a lot of stuff, and I was like, nope. Code says the panel had to move really, and where my electrical was coming in, and I just had them do it. It was faster. Did it cost a little bit more money? Absolutely. That's what got it done and got it signed off on the project. Now, they had a lot better ways of doing it because I'm watching, I'm like, oh my gosh, that was so much easier. I would have done it this way. Would have meant code.
If you see their reviews gradually getting worse and worse and worse, and more recently they've had some really bad ones, that is a sign that this contractor's probably having financial difficulties, and it's just a matter of time before the music stops and you're left without a chair to sit in, and that it's going to land in somebody's unfortunate lap when things finally implode on that contractor. So that's something that we always encourage people to look for, and we look for it for them if they like for us to do so.
That is so smart, because how the traditional contractor goes under is that they're taking they're robbing Peter to pay Paul. So
right.
When your final check is paying, you're writing to them is actually paying for the next job.
Yes, that's exactly right.
And they're just trying to pay it forward. And like you said, that's a great analogy. When the music stops and you're the project, you're in trouble. All that and more on Saturdays Around the House Show with Eric G. Heard on any podcast player. And don't forget, you could be listening to the show right now. If you are an Around the House insider, you would get the show 48 hours early. So Thursday, you could be checking out the brand new episode of Around the House. And you get all the back catalog, up to 1,000 episodes. Thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you on Saturday, either way. And don't forget, we have a brand new episode of Around the House Northwest on Saturday. You can stream it at kptv.com and just look for the Around the House banner across the top of the page. Or you can stream it live on the KPTV Fox 12 app on any mobile device. As always, thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you Saturday. Are you a contractor, landscaper, or small business owner? Are you tired of renting or pulling that worn-out trailer to the job site? Is that really the best look for your company? It's time to up your game and check out the trailers from Summit Trailer. If you want the highest quality trailer you can own, they are proudly made right here in Oregon with a dealer network all along the West Coast. What I love about my Summit Trailer is that it's a dump trailer that was designed to work. I can load it up without having to worry about if it's going to be able to lift the load, and it pulls like a dream. This was built to work. So it doesn't matter if you want a dump trailer like mine or a deck over flatbed, tilt bed, or utility trailer. They got a trailer that'll fit your needs. Invest in your business with something you'll feel proud of, pulling up to any job site or your next project. Check out the best trailer in the West at summittrailermfg.com. Check out the dealer locator and find your nearest dealer at summittrailermfg.com.